All praises be to God, Alhamdulillah. All praises be to God, Allah, the most gracious.
Hazur came in just 2 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Jazakallah. Alright, it's starting. Okay, you can sense it. Everyone's.
We might need to go there.
That's fine. Everyone's gone quiet now. We'll just find a space. We'll try and get as close as we can. Yeah, I think Hazur's coming. I can hear Nade starting. Honestly, I'm a bit distracted right now. Zindabad. I can see the stage right in front of me. See the rush building up. One sec. I'm gonna try and get in as quickly as I can because I can see the rush building up. So that concludes the first session of Jalsa today. Jazakallah. Okay, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Just thinking about how Zur said that, alright, you know, with namaz we should always be looking forward to the next one. After that address, that's all I'm thinking about. And it's nice because I can feel the spiritual benefits of Jalsa kicking in, and I can feel the difference, honestly. So I'm waiting for Maghrib and Isha now. Now I'm just kind of thinking about when Hazur is going to come and just try and do as much zikr Ilahi as possible. Okay, so just finished namaz, Maghrib Isha behind Hazur. Feels real when you're with Hazur, you know? Hazurs are linked to Allah, we always hear that, but I genuinely feel like there's a bridge between me and Allah right now. I'm already thinking about the Hajj and Fajr, inshallah. They announced the timings for those, so just trying to make sure I get my work done tonight in time for me to get enough sleep, inshallah. So that's for tomorrow.